Hello friends, my name is Tukaram Dixit. Today's date is 10th March 2022. Today's our topic is multi-threading in Java. In that, we will see it is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight process, lightweight and sub-process, the smallest unit of processing, multiprocessing and multi-threading. Both are used to achieve multitasking. We use multi-threading than multiprocessing because threads we use a shared memory area. They don't allocate separate memory area, so saves memory and context switching between the threads takes less time and process. Then we will see advantages of Java multi-threading. In that, first we will see first one is the it doesn't block the user because threads are independent and you can perform multiple operations at the same time. Then second advantage is the you can perform many operations together, so it saves time. And then third advantage is the threads are independent, so it does not affect other threads and does not affect other threads if an exception occurs in a single thread. Then then we will see multitasking is a process of executing multiple tasks simultaneously. We use multitasking to utilize the CPU. The multitasking can be achieved in two ways. That first one is the process based multitasking, that is multiprocessing, and second one is the thread based multitasking, that is multi-threading. In that we will see first one is the process based multitasking, that means multiprocessing. Each process has an address in memory. In other words, each process allocates a separate memory area. Then second one is the process is a heavyweight. Then cost of communication between the process is high. The next one is the switching from one process to another requires some time for saving and loading register memory. Map updating list. Then second type is the thread based multitasking, that means multi-threading. In that, threads share the same address space. Then a thread is lightweight. Then the next one is the cost of communication between the thread is low. Then we will see what is thread in Java. What is thread in Java? The thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of processing. It is a separate path of execution. Threads are independent. If there occurs exception in one thread, it doesn't affect other threads. It is used share memory area. Then we will see. Then we will see Java thread methods. In that, first is the white start method. It is used start method. It is used to start the execution of the thread. Then next method is the white run method. White run method, it is used to do an action for a thread. Then third method is the static void sleep method. It sleep is a thread for the specified amount of time. Then next method is the static thread current thread method. It returns the reference to the currently executing thread object. Then next method is the white join method. It waits for a thread to die. Then next method is the get priority method. It returns the priority of the thread. Then next method is the set priority method. It changes the priority of the thread. Then get name method. It returns the name of the thread. Then set name method. it changes the name of the thread. Then next method is the long gated method. It returns the id get id method. It returns the id of the thread. Thank you so much. It's all of the today's topic.